going to show you two ways to remove these. One, you'll have to buy a tool, and two, you might just have this tool lying around. So the first one is to get one of these baseboard removal tools. This thing's really handy. This one here I've got is from Goldblatt, and I've been using this to get all the baseboards and these carpet grippers up from the first floor of our house. Now we're getting the second floor. And just like that, you'll be able to remove this carpet gripper from the floor here. Don't worry about the little nails left behind like this here. You come along with your hammer or a nail removal tool and just pull this out and get it out of the way. The next tool I like to use is this Fisker square flat shovel. And this thing is great for edging your lawn and things outside scraping stuff. So getting this carpet gripper up and baseboard, this works really well for that. You use your corner to get it under. I'll leave this link to the description below, like all the tools I use in my videos. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, you can check it out and get one. This works really well. So you take the corner and you just slot it under, with a little bit of force, tilt it back. And it pulls it right out just like that, and I haven't even scratched the floor, and if I did, it wouldn't really matter too much. Any nails left behind, I come along with my hammer or pliers and pull them out. There are two ways to remove carpet grippers from your house. Really easy to use, these two tools to remove them. So if you did like today's video, make sure you like and subscribe and watch this video here as we renovate this 70s house.